Hello and welcome to your NAB Trade Reporting Season Top 3. I'm Andrew Gagan. Rio Tinto saw flat annual earnings for the year amid lower iron ore prices. It posted underlying earnings of $10.9 billion for the year to the end of December. Net profit falling 14% to $9.7 billion as expenses rose. Consolidated sales revenue rose 7% to nearly $58 billion, boosted by earnings from copper and aluminium. It declared a final dividend of 2.54 cents a share. And Chief Executive Simon Trott saying the company won't pursue mergers or acquisitions unless they deliver value. That's after the collapse of merger talks with Glencore. QBE has reported a 21% increase in full-year net profit to $2.16 billion on improved income, investment returns and lower disaster payouts. The insurer saw gross written premium growth of 7%, almost $24 billion, which was ahead of guidance. Catastrophe claims fell to $751 million, 4% of net insurance revenue and below the allowance. Return on equity of 19.8% was well above the 15% target and boosted by investment returns of $1.7 billion. It's declared a dividend of $1.09 per share, up from 87 cents last year. And QBE Chief Executive Andrew Horton saying the exit of the North American non-core portfolio has progressed well. Telix Pharmaceuticals has posted a full-year net loss of $5.3 million. Revenue for the year rose more than 50% to just under $804 million, surpassing its guidance. The nuclear medicine company guiding to a near $1 billion in revenue next year. The non-material loss included $26.7 million in non-cash finance costs following the acquisition of RLS Radiopharmacies. And Christian Behrenbruch, Telix's CEO, reflected on the company's earnings and gave an insight into expectations over the next 2 years.
Next 2 years are really about reinvestment. It's about bolstering our pipeline. We have three drugs that are in phase 3 clinical trials that are major commercial inflection points for the company. And so for 2026 and 2027, it's about taking our extensive cash flow generation and reinvesting it back into our R&D and our infrastructure development. 2028 will be different. 2028 is our pre-commercial launch year for our therapeutics business, and that's when there'll be more of a focus on earnings.
And that is your NAB Trade Reporting Season Top 3.